Today I'm going to show you my homemade squishy collection so far and my squishy collection so far. So first off, we're going to start off with my homemade. First off, I have this zombie toast and it's super soft and squishy. Next we have this kawaii toast that is super soft and super squishy. We have this sweet donut and super soft and squishy. Have this drink bottle thing. It's super soft and squishy. Next we have this 3-piece macaroon. And lastly, we have this elephant sketchy. And on the back it says do not eat because it's like a little bun. So next off, we're going to see my squishy collection. So let's jump in now. Oh yeah, and this is supposed to be part of this homemade squishy collection. This is a pink pudding with a nice strawberry dripping. We have there's a frog one that may have some defects. That's okay. Next we have this money bun that has a lot of defects. We have five of these repos. And this is my whole squishy collection. Now it's time to make the thumbnail. I'm going to put all these squishies all together for the thumbnail. Here we go.
Up there. Stop it.
And this is my squishy collection.